Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to add your trading account to TradeZella. TradeZella lets you connect your brokerage account so you can track and manage your trades with ease. To get started, log in to your TradeZella account. Once you're logged in, head to the account settings or integrations section from your dashboard. This is where you'll enter your brokerage information. From the supported list, select your brokerage firm. TradeZella works with brokers like Interactive Brokers, along with many others. Next, enter your brokerage login details or API keys. This step securely connects your live account and allows your trades to be tracked automatically. As long as you have a TradeZella account and a supported broker, linking your account is fast and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.